Hi, this is Ms. Ferguson with tips and tricks to use the library catalog. To use the library catalog, you go to our website, brooklyntechlibrary.com, and then scroll down until you see Search Our Catalog. I'm going to look for a book called Children of Blood and Bone. You have to spell everything perfectly, otherwise it will say there are no matches. It's not very forgiving. When you find your results, you can sort them by title, by author, by date. You cannot sort by genre. It's very difficult. I'll show you that in a moment. Here's the book that I'm looking for. I can look at a blurb about the book. I can look at more details, and then it shows me some books that are similar. These are headings that are used to catalog the book, so I can click on one of these and find books that are similar. And then if I want to borrow the book, you can see I've already logged in here on the right. This book is in the library, so I wouldn't put a hold on it, but this book is out. So if I put a hold on it, then I'll get an email when the book is available. It will be held for me for a week. This book will not be held for me if I put a hold on it because it's already in the library. If I want to find a genre, I can search by just typing in the genre. And then I can browse the books and I can filter and sort them. You can renew one time online, and if you have any problem with renewing, you don't need to bring in your book. You can just come in and talk to us or email us at library@bths.edu.